Hello, students. You're welcome to your favorite educational program, Teaching and Learning on Radio by Niger State Ministry of Education. It promises to be interesting and it comes up every weekday. This is to keep the school children abreast of their curriculum due to coronavirus pandemic that has kept them at home. At this moment, we have our facilitator in the studio who will be taking you on a very interesting subject. Happy viewing. I am Kabir Yusuf.
Now at home, today we have come to another edition of Teaching and Learning through Radio, and today I'm here to teach you mathematics, especially JSS2 class. And the topic of the day is linear inequalities. The topic of the day is linear inequalities. But before we move to the topic, let me itemize the objectives of today's lesson. 1. At the end of the lesson, student should be able to define inequality. 2. To solve linear inequalities in one variable on a number line. 3. To solve two linear inequalities in two variables. And lastly, solve linear inequality involving bracket. However, before I define the linear inequality for you, let me quickly take your mind back to what you have learned in your JSS1 as an equation. For instance, if I have X box and 40 people are inside the box, I will have said that X is equals to 40, and this is an equation. And again, if I have 30 people inside the box, I will have less than 40. X now is less than 40. This is what we call inequalities. So, the definition of inequalities. An inequalities is a statement that two algebraic expressions are not equal. When two algebraic expressions are not equal, we refer to it as inequalities. Also, this inequality has some symbols that we are using to identify them. The symbols are 1. If we have something of this nature, just as if you are drawing a cap, the symbol is called is greater than. Is greater than. We have another one, as if you are reversing the cap, is called is less than. And we also have another one. If you have the first one, that is as if you are drawing the cap and you have a bar below it, is called greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. And we also have another one in this form, that is as if you are reversing the cap, then one below it is called less than or equal to. So this sign or symbols, they are very common in solving problems in inequalities. So, however, let me quickly go back to some problems in inequality. For example, if you are given the first question here, find the range of values of X for which 3x plus 4 less than 1, and show the result on a number line, and show the result on a number line. So, first of all, you try to write your solution in a short form, SOLN. Then you underline it. Then you bring your equation, which is 3x plus 4 less than 1. So here you are going to use the ideas of linear equation. You are going to use the ideas of linear equation that if you have a positive sign on the left hand side and you are trying to take something from the right hand side to the left hand side, the sign will change to negative. However, this 4 now, if we want to go by that, we are going to bring 1 to the right hand to the left hand side, the sign will change to negative. Therefore, we are going to have 3x less than 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4. As you are taking 1 to the left hand side, the sign will change to negative. Then you proceed to have your 3x less than negative 3. Reaching this point now, the problem you are having now is this 3 because you are looking for x. So you divide the both side by 3 to obtain your x. Then when you divide the both side, you divide both side or true by 3. So you have 3.
I believe you had a wonderful time listening to your favorite educational program, Teaching and Learning on Radio by Niger State Ministry of Education. The essence of the program is to educate our children that have been at home due to coronavirus pandemic ravaging the entire world. This program will come your way next time. We do hope you will join us. Kabir Yusuf is my name, and I'm thanking you for watching. I believe you had a wonderful time listening to your favorite educational program, Teaching and Learning on Radio by Niger State Ministry of Education. The essence of the program is to educate our children that have been at home due to coronavirus pandemic ravaging the entire world. This program will come your way next time. We do hope you will join us. Kabir Yusuf is my name, and I'm thanking you for watching.